Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the Hangrui Kids digital camera. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the camera, the instruction manual, a pin to reset the camera when not responding, a micro SD card cover, the card is already installed in the camera, the warranty card, the micro SD card to USB adapter used to transfer photos to your computer, the charging cable, two different straps and stickers. Now let's have a look at the camera. As you can see, it looks fun for kids. This camera has a silicone Dolphin cover design that gives it a fun aspect and protects the camera from damage. You can buy this design in two different colours, pink and blue. This is the blue version. You can also buy this camera in a dinosaur design. This camera is suitable for children aged 3 to 12 years old. Now let's explore the camera. On the front you have the 20 megapixel lens. Above it you have the speaker. On the back you have the screen display, and above it you have another lens to take selfie pictures. Next to the screen you have the controls. You have the power button and the left, right, up and down arrows. On the top you have the camera shutter. On the side you have the USB port to charge the 1000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries, and next to it you have the reset slot which you can press with the pin provided if the camera is not responding. Finally, you have the micro SD card slot with a 32GB micro SD card already inserted. Now let's explore its capabilities. To turn it on, tap and hold the power button for 3 seconds. This will open the main menu. There are 6 icons. To select an icon, press the camera shutter on top of the camera. To go back, press the power button. To move between icons, use the arrows. The first icon is for pictures. To take a picture, just press the shutter button. You can also press the down and up arrows to choose different shades, frames and fun stickers. Press the left arrow to enable or disable the timer. The right arrow will switch the camera to the front lens to take selfie pictures. The second icon is to take videos. This camera supports 1080p high-definition video camcorder. To start video recording, just press the shutter button. To stop it, press the shutter button again. The third icon is used to display the pictures and videos you've taken. As you can see, I've taken some nice pictures with the camera. The fourth icon is for the settings, where you can change the size of the pictures, capture timer, resolution, timestamp, language, among others. The fifth icon is for games. There are 3 games: Snake, Pushbox and Tetris. Finally, the 6th icon is to play MP3 songs from your SD card. Overall, this is a decent entry-level camera for your kids to learn basic photography. It's very easy to use, it takes good pictures and it has fun features. It also comes with stickers to decorate your camera. The silicone cover will ensure the camera is safe with your child. Also, being able to take selfie pictures is a great addition. It comes with a 6-month warranty, giving you a peace of mind. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.